When working in AutoCAD and AutoCAD Plant, one of the things that will most probably happen is that you need to share this information with someone else who doesn't have AutoCAD Plant. Now, if you've worked in AutoCAD Plant before, you'll know that the models that you bring in aren't AutoCAD solids. They're kind of like an image that contains a lot of information in it. So today what I'm going to look at is just how to be able to share, for instance, um, a pump. Maybe someone wants a pump, and AutoCAD Plant has got these kind of templates, these equipment templates. So I can just quickly create it using these templates and then send it to someone in an AutoCAD format so they can use it sort of downstream. So what I'm going to look at is in your equipment panel over here, select Create Equipment, and I can then go, so I just had to add the drawing as a project drawing over here. So you can see there are pumps at the bottom. So now what happens is this create equipment dialog box pops up. And if I take a look at this, is all the different type of equipment that I can use. Blowers, centrifuge, columns, compressors, conveyors, cyclones, dryers, filters, etc. And if I go to any other blower, you'll see the new horizontal blower, new vertical blower, centrifuge. So you can go and create all of these different components by building up the shapes that you've got over there. I'm going to go to the pump, as this has already got some predefined pumps in it. And if I select any one of them, you can see it gives a preview of what the pump is going to look like. Then what it has got is got the tag, so I can go assign a tag number to it. And on the left here, you can see there's ML, LC, MD, and DC. And I've got my different dimensions. So I can go and change those dimensions if I want to. And it'll go and change the size of my pump that I'm bringing into AutoCAD. If I go to my properties, what you'll see over here is, tag, size, pressure class, description. This is all the stuff that I'm getting from my Create Equipment dialog box. And then I've got data there, which is I can go and insert, according to the specs that I'm going to use. So once this is done, I can go click on Create, and that allows me to go and put this pump in over here. Okay. So there we go. Now if I select it, you'll see there, okay, it allows me to start creating my pipes off there, puts my my flange and everything like that as well. But if I select, look at my properties, you'll see there it says equipment. Okay, so it's not, if I had to go put this into normal AutoCAD now, you wouldn't be able to see it without any object enablers. And I've got all my general, in my properties, I've got all my general equipment over here. Now, if I want to go send it out to someone else as a drawing, as AutoCAD DWG, I've got an export to AutoCAD function. So type in export, and you'll see the export to AutoCAD. Select it. Okay, it's just telling me I just save my drawing first. And then it says there, it gives me a dialog box that says export to AutoCAD. So once that's done, I'm just going to go for AutoCAD. Okay, so I know who it's for. You can then also go and see what type of DWG you want to save it to. So if someone is, I'm working on 2023 at the moment, someone is working on 2017 or downwards, you'd have to at least go save it down to a 2013 DWG. Once you've done that, select on Save, and it goes and saves it out. Now, let's go and open up that drawing. So if I go to for AutoCAD, there's a picture of my drawing over there. And let's see what is different about it. So yes, it looks the same. Yes, I'm still in AutoCAD Plant, but if I select this now, you'll see there block reference. Okay, so anyone in AutoCAD, normal AutoCAD, will be able to go and see this now. If you want to explode this just to see what it looks like going a level down, okay, it's now a 3D solid. Okay, so there we go. So there I've very, very quickly and easily been able to take just this pump, and I mean, to go and model that up in normal AutoCAD with all your your blocks and your join and subtract, etc., would take quite a while, but I've got a pump very, very quickly out of that through AutoCAD Plant. Thank you very much for watching.